Hi, I'm Josh from Josh Rose Copywriter. I've completed Kate Tween's fabulous Recipe for SEO Success course. What makes this course better than all the rest when it comes to learning SEO? Two reasons. One, the content. Two, the support. Okay, first, what makes the content so great? It makes it fun and easy to learn SEO because the content is broken down into short, simple, bite-sized chunks of information that allows you to really get a grasp of what's being taught. The content is up to date, which is important because SEO, it's not static. It's what worked last year may not work this year. So it's important to be sure that you're right up there and up to date with the latest of what's happening. And yeah, also you get lifetime access to the information. So you'll always be up to date with the course so long as Kate keeps running it, which is, you don't get that with a lot of other courses. Secondly, support. This is, I think, what makes the real difference with this course. You get a lot of live calls, coaching calls, where you can ask questions. Kate does a lot of live demonstrations in the course, reviews of people's websites, live demonstrations. It makes a real difference when you're trying to learn SEO. And I think that without it, you struggle to learn as much as what you do in this course. So yeah, make sure you get on the wait list, be ready when the course opens because it sells out quickly, and yeah, sign up and yeah, you won't regret it.